You ever priced a clock lately? It can be a little on the pricey side, and you don't always get the style that you're looking for. I'm going to show you how to make this clock here today out of some clock mechanism parts that you get from the internet off of Amazon or eBay. They're around $5, and a clock face that you can print off on your computer, and I'll show you how to assemble that today. So what you want to do is start out by purchasing a clock kit. You can buy these pretty inexpensively on the internet, Amazon or eBay, around $5 individually, or if you purchase multiple ones it could be down to around $3.50. Next thing you want to do is go on the internet and print off a clock face, and this is the one I'm going to be using today. And I have a piece of Luan plywood here, and I'm going to go ahead and attach that to the plywood. Next, what I'm going to do is put it on a power miter saw and trim off the excess. Now that I have it all cut out here, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of polyurethane to protect the paper here a little bit before we go ahead and drill the hole in the back and assemble it. The second hands came in silver. I'm just going to take and spray a little red on there. The minute and hour hand came in silver. I'm just going to spray in black. Okay, now that my clock face here is dry here, there is no center hole there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up on two sides of a sheet of paper. And I'm going to make a little line on there. I'm going to take my paper here, line it up on my line, keep that edge straight. Do the same here. And that is my center. Now I'm going to take that same sheet of paper there that I figured out my center and lay it on top my clock face here. Mark my center of the clock. Okay, on the clock mechanism here, I went and measured the diameter of that shaft, and it's 19/64 of an inch. And I'm going to go ahead and put that drill bit in there and finish drilling that hole. Okay, with this piece of Luan wood that I'm using, as you can see, we don't have any room to put the threads of the little nut on there, so I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue here, glue down our little holder here, push it into the back, and then glue that down as well. Okay, now that the glue is all dried on the back, first put your hour hand on there and push her down. You may have to take a little nut on there and just give it a little push. Make sure it goes on there well. And we'll take our minute hand, put that on there as well. Next we'll take our second hand and snaps in there a little easier. Okay. Put a battery in the back. Final tip here is you want to make sure that your hands don't interfere with one another.